Most affiliate marketers break their backs for low commissions and high competition as they're stuck promoting the exact same 3 or 4 networks that everyone else is. What they don't know is that the highest commissions and the easiest approvals are often hidden in plain sight on platforms that they've never even heard of. So in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on my 7 favorite affiliate networks to help you dominate your niche and build a real, sustainable income stream. Starting at number 7, we have Awin. Think of this as the biggest affiliate network you've probably never heard of. It's absolutely massive, especially in Europe, but it also has a huge US presence, which makes it the perfect all-around network for beginners looking for global reach. Plus, they feature a great mix of digital and physical products. What I like about them is their sheer scale. You get access to over 25,000 different advertisers to partner with, which means whether your niche is fashion, home goods, or financial tech, you'll find a top-tier brand to promote. Some of the biggest names on here are Etsy, HP, Under Armour, and StubHub, just to name a few. And finding programs is actually super intuitive as well. Their directory is clean and you can filter by country, product type, and commission model. Generally, commission rates are set by the individual merchant, but you'll see everything from flat fee bounties to percentage of sales commissions from 2 to 30% or even higher. Next up, at number 6 is Target Partners. This is your go-to when you need a household name that nearly everyone trusts. While everyone flocks to Amazon, Target has quietly built a massive online presence. In just the last year, their digital sales has grown over 140%, which makes it an unexpected e-commerce powerhouse that you should definitely tap into. Now, when you join Target's affiliate program, you earn a commission on a huge range of categories that people are already buying daily. What's even better is the halo effect of their cookie. A cookie, if you don't know, is just a little tracking file that tells the store that you sent the customer. For example, if you link to a cool $30 throw pillow, but your visitor clicks that link and then fills their cart with $400 worth of groceries, electronics, and kids' clothes, then you get the commission on the entire cart. The major downside, similar to Amazon, is that the cookie only lasts for 7 days. If they don't buy within that window, you lose the sale. This is still short, but it's much better than Amazon's 24-hour window. There are some other downsides though. They are known to have lower commission rates on high volume categories like electronics and video games, so I definitely wouldn't recommend making Target your only option, but it is definitely a fantastic and often overlooked alternative to Amazon, which is why it's at number 6. Now, number 5 is Skimlinks. This one is for the content creators who want to make money without turning every other sentence into a clunky affiliate link. It's an automated, programmatic network, and it's pretty cool because instead of applying to dozens of programs, you just install one piece of code and Skimlinks automatically turns your existing product links into affiliate links. Think of it as an AI assistant that scans your articles, and whenever you mention a product from one of their 60,000 partner merchants, it monetizes it for you. It's a total game changer for established blogs or publishers. The minimum payout is only $10, which is fantastic because you get paid really fast. Now, the cookie duration and commissions will vary depending on the merchant, but the beauty with Skimlinks is really in the automation. Next on the list is Rakuten Advertising. This is one of the oldest and most respected players in the game, formerly known as Linkshare. For a long time, Rakuten and CJ were the two giants, and while CJ has its place, Rakuten's modern interface and incredible brand roster gives it an edge in 2025. To really just prove its authority to you, Rakuten was named the #1 affiliate network for 12 consecutive years by the industry blue book MThink. They have partnerships with some of the most premium brands in the world, like Lego, Sephora, Virgin Holidays, and Macy's. So if you want to partner with blue chip retail companies, Rakuten is where to go. And by the way, if you want to copy my exact affiliate funnels and frameworks and learn how I'm making a full-time income online, then the link for that will be in the description below. Now, if you've ever been interested in affiliate marketing, you've probably heard about promoting digital products for those juicy 50 to 70% commissions. While many people point you to one place like ClickBank, the smarter play in 2025 is Digistore24. It's one of the fastest growing networks for digital products, online courses, and software. They started in Germany and are known for their precision and their reliability, and they've paid out over $250 million to affiliates and vendors so far. You can find absolutely everything on there, from German efficiency guides to vegan cookbooks to social media marketing courses, and all the other self-improvement kind of stuff that can be very, very profitable. Info marketers love Digistore24 because of the super high commissions and the fact that they handle all the complex international sales tax stuff for you. Number 2 on the list is AppSumo. Now, I love this affiliate program because my audience loves a good deal, and this is the network that lets me monetize that perfectly. Think of it as the best affiliate program built for software deals, specifically lifetime deals or LTDs. This is where you can find up-and-coming tools like Nifty PM, SendSpark, or Formaloo for a massive one-time payment. Instead of small recurring commissions, you can earn a large one-time commission of up to 100% on new customer purchases and generous commissions for existing customer purchases. The products here are perfect for any business, marketing, or tech-focused audience. What I love about AppSumo is the urgency it creates. Deals are only live for a short time, which encourages your audience to act fast. Their affiliate dashboard is simple, tracks everything clearly, and they pay out reliably. It's a unique and powerful way to promote software. And finally, without further ado, number 1 on my list, my number 1 affiliate network I recommend is AvantLink. This network is all about quality over quantity. AvantLink specializes in high-ticket, premium brands, especially in the outdoor, sporting goods, and lifestyle niches. So if your brand is about quality and you want to promote products with high average order values, then this is your holy grail. You'll find top-tier companies like REI, Patagonia, Backcountry.com, and other premium retailers here. Plus, they have advanced tracking, paid placement tools, and robust anti-adware technology to make sure that you get credit for every sale that you drive. Now, when it comes to affiliate networks, you can join as many as you want. I'm in every single one in this video, and you should be too. You want diversity in case a network suddenly changes its terms or an affiliate program that you loved shuts down. Diversification is key. When one revenue stream is threatened, you can always rely on your backups to keep your income stable. Now, a lot of people watch a video like this and then worry they won't get accepted to these networks because they don't have any traffic yet. And that's a real puzzle to solve. Not which network to join, but how to build the machine that makes you the money in the first place. So if you want to just copy my exact affiliate marketing funnels and frameworks that are making me a full-time income, then that link is going to be in the description. It's the fastest way to solve that traffic problem and turn this knowledge into actual cash.